I'm curious, what are some of the common problems or concerns that prospective patients of yours face when they're looking for a dentist in the Salt Lake City area?
Well, I'm not sure exactly what each patient would be looking for, but as we talk with patients that come to visit us and patients that have been looking for a new dentist, here's a couple of things that they tell us that they're looking for or have been pleased with when they come to our practice. I guess the top one is that we try and make this a very trusting place, some place where you can come and feel comfortable, that they're comfortable with me and my staff, the things that we do, so that they find this as an enjoyable experience as you can possibly have, even though you're coming to the dentist. Another thing is that they want to find a practice that has quality care, something that they can trust, that they know they're going to have treatment that doesn't end up being sensitive, that does, you just don't feel like it's part of your tooth. We like to think that and feel that patients, that when they leave our practice and have their teeth taken care of, that they look natural, that they feel good, and that their bite feels comfortable, that they really feel like that they would anticipate it before they came here. We solved their problems as best we possibly can.
Sure.
Another
really
thing is that.
How long have you actually been practicing dentistry, Dr. Poulson?
Oh gosh, 35 years or more. That's a number I don't like to keep track of. It gets too big.
So you have some experience doing this, in short.
Oh yeah, we've been doing this for quite a while. Excellent. But as a result, I guess I ought to point out that we do an awfully lot of continuing education, so that we're up on what's going on. If you come here, you're not going to get treatment that's also 35 years old.
Sure.
A couple of other things that patients have told us that they like, again, is that we run on time, and we don't take an lengthy time to do things if it's not necessary. We like to have it so that this is a pleasant part of your day, but it doesn't take your whole day, and you can be off to doing other things, back to work or errands or whatever. And so I think the one thing that people really have enjoyed, though, is that we do, for the most part, run on time. From time to time, things happen, and most people will understand that. But you're not going to be sitting and waiting much here.
Okay.
Another thing is that people are always concerned about insurance coverage. We work with most insurance carriers. If there's a specific question with the company that we work with, I just say give our office a call, talk to Emily, and she's our insurance expert. She can tell you whether we've worked with them before, if there's going to be any kind of a concern. We run into very few of those.
Yeah, and if you've ever worked with Emily, she really is, she's definitely on top of things there. She's a really sharp gal that just has a lot of customer service acumen. Yes, anyway. So
keeping track of numbers, she's been with me well over 15 years, so she does have an awfully lot of experience.
She's good at what she does, to say the least.